Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dennis. So today's topic is resin prints. What do you do with them after you're done? Do you paint them? What do you do? Let me know in the comments. I'm going to show you what I do. I'll show you a finished product, but more importantly, I'm going to show you what I got to be able to paint my models and what I recommend for you. This is after having gone, visiting a place, talking to them about resin prints and 3D models and all this kind of stuff, and getting their opinion on what the best stuff is to use. And this is what they recommended. So stay tuned, we're going to have a look. So these are all the 3D prints I've done on my resin printer. I've got the X-Wing Starfighter, I got the Mandalorian, smaller scale version, I've got the Witcher, Harry Potter, and some dragons, and F-16, because I really like the F-16. The Millennium Falcon. Now, here's the difference I also want to show you before we get on to how I finish these. So this one here was done, all right, with the oil-based or the chemical ones that you use. And this one here was done with the water washable resin. Now, if you're painting it, that's fine. If you're not, the other one looks better. And it's got dark spots and stuff like that, so you really kind of do want to get in and paint them if you're going to use the water washable resin, because it's just not going to look as good otherwise. I'm going to show you quickly one of the ones I've painted, and then I'm going to show you what I used to do it with. And here it is, the Grinch. I still need to do his eyes, all right, but everything else is pretty much done. Look at the difference it makes between just having the blend color and having this color. So I'm going to move it closer so you can see it more. All right, and I did it, took a little bit, but all using acrylic paint. All right, and of course that's got the hollowed out underneath. This is actually meant for a Christmas tree topper, so I thought that was pretty cool. But you know, when you're thinking about doing these, painting them brings it to life. But what do you use? Like I said, you use the acrylic paints. I'm going to show you what I use, and so you can get this kind of result from yours. So this is the set I bought. Before I bought this, I had other bigger ones. Like these are quite small, but it's a 41 piece. So you have all the different colors of blue, purple, pink, reds, yellows, everything, even whites and blacks and browns and just every different color you could possibly want. Comes with paintbrushes, and of course it's an acrylic art set. But I bought this from a company called Deseret. So it's D-E-S-E-R-R-E-S. It's here in Ottawa, but I think they have locations in a lot of other places. It's not sponsored. They didn't give this to me or anything. I bought it. It cost about, I paid shipping, I think it was like $54 total. But it's amazing how much these paints, just a little bit at a time, will go. They will do a lot, because you don't need a lot to cover a small area. So if you need a lot, you can buy bigger sizes of these. So I just thought that would be something I would point out. So if you want to bring your art to life, your resin prints to life, give them a look that just pops, here's something that you can use. All right, so I just wanted to bring that to you, show you how you could really make things look better. The Grinch looked great even before I painted it, but you can see that now it's painted to the actual colors that I wanted it to be, as close to the character as I've seen. It looks pretty darn good. Tell me what you think. Did you like it? Did you hate it? What color would you do it in? Maybe you do it in completely different colors. Maybe you wouldn't even use green. Maybe you use, I don't know, purple or something. Anyway, here's the kit you can get. I'll put the description in the video so you know what the name of the company is, and just so you can go there and buy it if you wish to. But I highly recommend it. It's not a lot for all those different paints, all the different shades, and the paintbrushes to do it with as well. And some of the prints that you do are very fragile. So if you're sitting there trying to do it with your hand with a paintbrush, it may not work so well. So you have to be very careful. Just take your time, use the brushes, and you'll be fine. All right? what I meant to say is don't use the paint pens. Right? I used the paint pens, but even the pressure of pushing on that was a little too much, and it broke one of the models I had been working with. So I reprinted it, and I'll do it again. But with a paintbrush, you're applying it a lot looser, so it's a lot less pressure pushing on it, and therefore it's going to come out and look great. Still got to be careful with it, but that's just the way it is. So hope you like that. Hope that gives you some ideas for how you can make things look much better. And yeah, tell me what you think in the comments. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. If you don't like it, well, let me know in the comments as well. All right? If you're new here, think about subscribing. Hit that bell for notifications. And as always, thank you for watching, especially if you made it this far. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.